Scrumptious, simple and easy to make, a combination of both sweet and sour. Today's recipe is an absolutely delicious preparation, fried rice made with raw mangoes and with the added flavors of ginger, garlic, green onions, spices and the crunch of groundnuts. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. The ingredients required for the preparation are 1 cup raw rice, this is 240 grams, 1 raw mango, 1 big sized onion, cold pressed sesame oil, 5 to 6 green chillies, white pepper, 1-inch piece of ginger, 10 garlic pods peeled. These are the country variety of garlic and small, so I have taken 20 garlic pods, 2 tablespoons raw groundnuts or peanuts, 1 teaspoon powdered jaggery, salt as per taste. To prepare the rice, take 1 cup raw rice, add water, wash once or twice, drain the water. To the washed rice, add water. You can add more water as the rice is going to be boiled and the excess water drained. I have added close to 5 cups of water. Allow the rice to soak for a minimum of 10 minutes. To a vessel, add the soaked rice water. Soaking the rice in water reduces the cooking time and ensures that the grains are fluffy. Add half a teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt or Induppu, 1 teaspoon of cold pressed sesame oil. Adding oil prevents the grains from sticking together. Switch on the stove. Close with the lid and allow the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, add the soaked rice. Stir well. Close with the lid and cook on a medium flame. Open in between a few times. Stir to ensure uniform cooking. Close the lid and continue to cook on a medium flame. When the rice is 3/4 cooked, switch off the stove. Remove the cooked rice and strain the excess water using a colander. Allow it to cool. Mix once or twice in between to fluff up the rice. Fried rice can also be done with leftover rice. As the rice is getting cooled, let us cut some green or spring onions. Green onions have the combined benefits of both onions and spinach. They are rich in vitamin K and a good source of vitamins A, C and folate. You can plant the small onion bulbs in any planter that you have, and within 15 days you will have the shoots coming up. When required, you can cut only the top portion of the shoots as you will have more shoots coming up later. For the other preparations, take 1 teaspoon whole white pepper, crush to a slightly coarse powder. Take 1 tablespoon of raw peanuts or groundnuts. Fry the groundnuts and crush to a coarse powder. Take the green chillies, chop them fine. Set aside. Remove the peeled garlic pods, chop it really fine. Set aside. Take the ginger piece, remove the skin and chop into fine pieces. Remove the skin of the onion, cut into half and chop into fine pieces. Transfer to a bowl. Take the washed spring onions, chop them fine. Set aside. Take the raw mango, cut into vertical pieces. I am going to use 3/4 of the mango. If it is a small one, you can use a whole mango. Grate the mango. Immune boosting, packed with nutrients, low in calories, raw mangoes are rich in vitamins C, A, B6 and vitamin K. It is also rich in dietary fibers and a good source of magnesium, calcium and iron. Heat a kadai. Add around 4 tablespoons of cold-pressed sesame oil. When the oil becomes hot, add the chopped garlic pieces. Fry for a minute or two. Add the chopped ginger pieces. Fry for a minute and add the chopped green chillies. Fry for 1 more minute and add the finely chopped onion pieces. Once the onion turns translucent, add the grated mango. Fry until the mango turns soft. Here, mango will be the substitute for soya sauce that we generally use in fried rice. Now add 1 teaspoon of the white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt has also been added at the time of cooking the rice. Add 3/4 teaspoon of powdered jaggery. The quantity of jaggery can be adjusted according to the sourness of the mango and according to taste. Mix everything well. Add the chopped spring onions. Stir and then add the coarsely powdered groundnuts. Give it a stir. Now add the cooked and cooled rice. Stir on a high flame. Once everything is well mixed and the rice becomes hot, switch off the stove. Add some chopped green onions. Transfer to a plate. Garnish with some more spring onions and coarsely ground peanut powder. Have hot with ginger, garlic, onions, the sourness of the mango, the slightly sweetish tinge of the jaggery, the aromatic flavor of spring onions, the crunch of the peanuts, and the spice from green chilies and white pepper. This fried rice is an absolute delight. Do try out the recipe. If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Tuesday for another interesting recipe.